Hi! So we are going to do a review on a couple of different dog toys. My dogs are huge fans of toys. I'm not sure if yours are or not, but thought I'd buy these toys and help us all out. So the first one is by Go Dog. Cute little pterodactyl. Kinda really love him. Got a great squeaker. Doesn't have any crinkly, but he's got this great fabric. He cost $16.99 at a local shop, and hopefully, Go Dog. And then I got this here doggy. Supposedly, their claim to fame here is that the silent squeaker is one only your dog can hear. Well, I call BS. I tried it while I had it on the counter, and nobody even looked at it. And finally, good old Kong. I love their toys. They're pretty tough, but keep in mind, I have extreme chewers. They're all sitting around here waiting so patiently for their toys. So we'll check back in about a week, and we'll see how they did. Again, we're back. It's been about a week. We checked out these toys and now we're back with the results. First, you remember hear this silent squeaky toy? Well, the squeaker's gone, his ear's gone, heck, his brains are gone, and I think someone peed on him. But that means he was well loved, right? Next, we have the Kong Seahorse. He's been disemboweled. No more squeaker, but he's still crunchy, and the dogs love playing tug of war with this one. So, once again, still playable. And finally, the Go Dog pterodactyl. He is all in one piece. Kind of stinky. He's been played with hard, but guess what? He still squeaks. So the winner of this week's toy review goes to this cute little guy, and he's gonna fly away and go play. Happy shopping, and I hope you enjoyed our video. Have a wonderful day.